In my recent video, I repaired password locked money bank where some of them were requesting me to make this puppy house money bank repair video. So I ordered this from Amazon. So this is what we got. We have to rotate this key several times. It stores some energy which makes the whole mechanism work. So whenever we place the coin on the switch gets pressed, which activates the dog. We have to rewind it after several times. Sometimes it fails to catch the coin, but often it works nicely. And from the bottom we can remove the cap and we got our coins back. Sometimes it gets stuck, but with the little bit of efforts we can fix it. Here we go. Now let me show you what's inside. So this is what it has inside. The gearbox, a lever and the dog. So when we press the lever, it begins to run until it's placed back or the energy runs out. My cat wants to catch this dog. He is quite curious. Let's bring out the whole mechanism to see the mechanism in detail. We have to remove this key first. So this is the whole mechanism of this complex looking puppy house. My cat wants to play with this dog. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.